Hello everyone, my name is Blaine Sullivan and I have decided to do my formal analysis on the piece Time by Xiaodong Liu. This picture depicts 5 members, one of them lying on the ground while the other 2 are looking at him and the other 2 looking in the distance. 4 of them are lying on a dirt patch in a grassy field while the other is laying face first on the concrete. The picture looks to be wet where the guy is lying, and there seems to be a lake in the far left of the picture. Behind the 5 members, there is grass with a gate and what seems to be a building or multiple. In the sky, um, there's a hint of blue, however, the clouds are very dark and gray. In the top left corner, there is blood splatters, what seems to be, and the building looks to be abandoned of some sort or very run down or old. Now, Xiaodong uses line, many of them, as he creates 20 sections of the piece as a 5x4 grid. He uses these lines, vertical and horizontal, to separate the piece into 20 different sections. These pieces come together and create the piece. The shape of the people look very realistic. There's fine details such as the glasses and the color of the hair, as well as the clothes that people are wearing. Furthermore, the building is hyper realistic, as the windows and the architecture of the building is in line with what buildings would be in the world today. The value he uses the hint of the light in the sky, and then he contrasts it with the dark clouds. He also uses bright colors, such as the green with the grass and the colors of the people wearing their shirts. However, the man lying down is lying on a gray, dark surface, as well as his clothes being all dark. The space used is the 4 people are sitting very compact and close together, but the 5th is lying alone and what seems to be very far away from people. The buildings look to be spacious and empty from the windows, as well as the rest of the area around it. The texture he uses is very interesting, as the texture of the grass looks to be realistic, as well as the grass swaying in what seems to be the foreseeable bad weather that is to come. He also has the texture of the blood looking very realistic as well. The colors he uses is again very it contrasts each other, as the dark into the light. He uses both primary and secondary colors.